Happy Memorial Day. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing 3-day weekend. Friendly reminder, if you guys missed our free live trading session on Friday, I have to say it was so much fun for all the people that did join us. I'm actually going to link it down in the description. It's just going to say free live trading. So if you've ever wanted to see what it's like to watch me trade live, make sure you check it out. Made over $20,000 within that live trading session. Answered a bunch of great questions, and it gives you a taste of what the Learn Plan Profit Group gets to experience every single day. So a quick little overall market update. I wanted to let you guys know that the NASDAQ market, according to the futures market, is up 1%. So what that means and how that correlates on over to TQQQ and overall tech stocks, we're in the green. As of right now, literally like every news outlet is just pumping out a bunch of great articles of like market recovery. Things look not worse. And again, we've said this so many times before. It's not necessarily that the market is getting better, right? There's still the concern of inflation. There's still the concern of interest rate. These are all things you still need to take into consideration. So it's not like it's going to be super easy and all uphill from here. You still need to be selective, right? But finally, there's some form of bullish sentiment. I want to make you guys aware of, a resistance level, right? My job here on YouTube, especially my job with the Learn Plan Profit traders, is not just to talk about how glorious the market is, but also to be aware of the risk involved, right? Like, what is it that we're currently testing? What resistance level are we currently testing? And that's what we're going to be talking about right now. So again, I really hope that you guys learned something new. If you do, make sure you drop a thumbs up if you did, and also make sure you subscribe to the channel. So first off, this is TQQQ. And one of the things that I want to point out is my EMA line right now is set at 20. But ever since we sold off, since the beginning of this year, 2022, we've been making lower highs and lower lows. Every time that we try to test this EMA, we get rejected. We get rejected. We get rejected. It's not a perfect indicator. We could see this right here, right? We broke above, but then we sell off. So it's not perfect, but it acts as a pretty good indicator, as a reference of, hey, we're at a level where we could get rejected based off of previous patterns. Why am I talking about this? Well, other than this time, right? This is when they actually announced, if I'm not mistaken, that Russia attacked Ukraine. This is why the market began to sell off once again. But as of right now, we are retesting this EMA line on the day chart with a length of 20 for the first time, for the second time in 2022. There are a couple times we did test it again. You can mess around with the length of your EMA. I would encourage you to look at your stock that you're invested in. I'm using TQQQ as an example for me. If you trade something that maybe the 30 EMA is validated a little bit more, if you want to be a little bit more conservative, then maybe increase the length of your EMA. If you want to be a little bit more aggressive, then you can decrease the length of your EMA and it will fluctuate. As you can see, I just changed it to 30, and we could see that with this, there's not been another time other than the previous time during mid-March where we broke above. Other than that, every single time it's traded below, so we could even play it a little bit more on the conservative side. But the reason that I'm making this video, the reason that I'm talking about this is we're at a critical point. We're at a critical point just like we were last time, where yes, the market did end on a green note last week. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, amazing. The NASDAQ market as of right now, it looks like it's going to open up in the green. If the NASDAQ market opens up where it's at right now, 1% for NASDAQ means 3% for TQQQ. That's great, but please, I can't stress this enough, okay? Especially if you're a beginner. The market has been selling off for 5 months. We're so close. We're so close to waiting for confirmation. I'm not telling you shouldn't take a position. I'm not telling you anything like that, right? I'm just saying take your position size into consideration. There's no reason to rush into it. If we're already so close, it's already been 5 months, just give it the time that it needs to confirm before you really begin to step on the gas. You know what I would hate to happen? Because I've done this multiple times. I'm just trying to look out for you guys, right? I would hate to be so close, getting too confident, thinking that the market has to recover, even though it's been selling off for 5 months. Go all in right now. Some news is released, whatever the case might be, and then it sells right back off. How horrible would that be? I waited 5 months. I was so close to waiting for confirmation. I broke my discipline, I go in right now, and then it gets rejected, it'd be one of the worst feelings. The other side of that, yeah, you can go all in right now, it breaks above, it recovers, great. I don't know about you, but I don't want to go all in when I don't need to, right? This is why we manage our position size. This is why they say it pays to be patient. I want you guys to be aware of critical levels that I'm waiting for confirmation on. That's my job here, right? Not, we made so much money last week. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I had a $74,000 week, really in just 3 days of trading. And I'm so grateful for it. But one of the things that I know about the market is that it doesn't matter how much I made last week, yesterday, even in 2 days from now, right? Every day presents new challenges. Every day is a new day, especially as a trader. You need to make sure that every time that you choose to take advantage of an opportunity, that you treat it as a new opportunity. That it's not because you made money yesterday that you're guaranteed to make money today. Please, more now than ever before. It's not that you should be scared. It's not about that. It's that you should be prepared. You should be selective. And that should empower you because you will be more in control. Not just for best case scenario, but for worst case scenario. And that's exactly what I'm excited to break down tomorrow in our live trading session. So I don't want to take too much of your guys' time. I wanted you guys to be aware of this critical level. We're so close. I'm very, very excited. I'm sure you guys are too. And there's so much money to be made. So why not just give it the time it needs to get that confirmation so we have that confidence to then step on the gas. Preparing for the worst, but not being afraid, to take advantage of the best. So very excited to follow up with you guys tomorrow. Friendly reminder, I would love for you guys to join our live trading session tomorrow at Market Open. If you guys have been waiting to join our Learn Plan Profit team, friendly reminder, we are running our biggest sale for Memorial Day weekend, and it's $150 off. You don't have to sign up, but if you've been waiting for our biggest discount, you will not find a discount bigger than this. It's $150 off. It's a one-time payment, lifetime access, and you get access to everything. Our daily live trading sessions, you get access to our A to Z video lesson library, our private group chat, and yes, you get access to our HQ. That's going to be that first link in the description, $150 off, and this will also give you access to our live trading as soon as tomorrow. Lifetime access, one-time payment, $150 off today. Again, if you're ready to sign up, it's that first link down below. If you have any questions that you guys would like to ask me, also a friendly reminder, we are going to be having a pizza party. You guys absolutely killed it in our live trading session on Friday. A lot of you guys were thrilled about the idea of our pizza party. So we're gonna have a pizza party this Friday at the HQ. So if you want to join us and you're here relatively in the Arizona area, this Friday, it's a pizza party. It's going to be open to the public, and I hope that you can join us. It's going to be at 1 p.m. If you would like to join us, please just shoot me a message via Discord, and that's going to be that second link down below. And yes, it is free to come. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Happy Memorial Day. Wish you guys nothing but the best, and excited to see you guys in tomorrow's live trading session. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.